Having a cost-effective workforce that can quickly scale up or down to meet changing demands has never been more critical. To achieve it, you have to skillfully manage service providers, the external workers who make up 42% of what companies spend on labour today. Keeping costs low is key, but to realise the best outcomes, you need visibility and control over the people-related aspects of services you buy. And that's what SAP Fieldglass Services Procurement delivers. First, we help you understand the value you're getting from services suppliers, not just the cost. With SAP Fieldglass, you'll know what you're paying service providers and whether those rates are competitive, how well workers are performing, and when projects hit key milestones and get completed. End-to-end intelligence on metrics like these lets you reach the right balance of quality, cost, and speed. Next, we help you reduce risk from hidden threats by making it easy to control who accesses your organization's facilities, views sensitive data, or operates equipment, and maximize compliance with internal policies, local tax and labor regulations, and government mandates. SAP Fieldglass also helps you boost efficiency with self-service tools and processes tailored to your business needs and reduce complexity with a friendly UI, smart chatbots, detailed reports, and more. Are you ready to gain greater value from your service providers? Get started with a solution that can lift your results to a whole new level. SAP Fieldglass Services Procurement.